Glass Simple presents Deactivating the 5-degree pin. The 5-degree positive closing hinge is designed to close the door an additional 5 degrees, thus allowing the glass door to close tightly against the strike jamb. If you want the door to swing in both directions, the strike jamb must be removed and the hinges set to the centered position. First, remove the inside cover plate. Now open the hinge as shown and loosen the 2 Allen screws enough to release the pin. Slide the outside cover plate of the hinge off of the pin, turn it around 180 degrees, then slide the outside cover plate back on, and tighten the Allen screws. Now open the hinge back to its original position and reattach the inside cover plate. The hinge is now positioned so that it will self-center the door just in line with the glass panel, allowing the door to be open in and out. Glass Simple, simplifying the glass hardware industry.